Italy, I guess, is like my second home. My mum was born in Naples and came across when she was 6 years old with my grandparents. So each time I return to Italy, I guess it feels like I'm home. I love this place. It just really brings something to me every time I have the sense of being here and the smells in the air. It's beautiful. This time bringing my kids with me is what it's all about. Seeing Italy through their eyes and having this amazing experience. Being able to relax and embrace everything with them. The greatest experience for me of this journey has been having fun together, and just having quality time is something that will stay with me forever. They really have embraced and grown and just loved the journey, and I hope that they look back in years to come and remember all the wonderful things that we've done.